Just doing chores at home cuts the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease, according to new research. Uh-oh, I better get moving. Scientists say cooking, washing dishes, and gardening can slash the risk of Alzheimer's by more than a fifth. A study of more than 500,000 adults found that those who did household chores were 21% less likely to develop the disease. Chores rank as the second biggest protective activity behind regular exercise, including brisk walks or bike rides, which lowered dementia cases by 35%. On a side note, another vital factor was meeting up with family and friends, social visits, lowering rates by 15%. Some would say that can be considered a chore as well. I kid. Other things to consider: couch potatoes, beware, that does not help, and a trip to the pub might be good for your brain from a social standpoint as well. They don't say anything here about the alcohol, but that might be another study. As always, check with your doctor about the best thing you can do. I am not a doctor. You can check out more info on this and other studies by clicking in the link in the description below and head over to studyfinds.com.